Go. Candidate number 1, Miss Judian Abot. From Nagasar, Tiguang. From Philippines.
Ay, sinawag ka, dito na ka. Para surprise.
Kakagbalik, Gore.
Yata natin siya. Shagong sling kanina.
And that's our candidate number 1 from Philippines, Miss Judian Abot.
Dala ka, post na ka.
Post Diray Gore. And we'll call on number Chaka. Candidate number 2, Miss Angel Loxin. Angel Loxin is a second-year high school student from Oligan City National High School. Pwede rin ungka. Ungka.
Pagdali na. Excited. Picture rin.
Except na Tiguang.
Gag.
From Puerto Rico, Miss Precious Aljona Marie.
Christine Lamesa. Ay, naulog.
Habit na takil po. Ay! Kaya. Apa naman, Jupit?
Okay, manana.
Miss Vanessa Olok from Nigeria.
Ay, from
Venezuela na lang.
Uganda.
From Nigeria? Sponsor sa Ox, karon. Oh. Oh, that. Oh, that. That, Jack.
Guwapa kay Ulok. Ano ba si Ninang?
Oh, wala. Gadagom. Gaulan. Gadagom na habad. Oh.
Ay, punta na sa YouTube ni Carl.
Pag inahuman, gadali ka ha.
Candidate number 5. Wala mo.
Exit na, madam. Miss. Isa na siya? Christine Hermosa.
Christine Lamesa. Ano bitanong ko?
Ay, Christine Timosa. Kapitan Boom ng Saray. Limig 16.
61, ay 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Ay, nagnaog dara, oy. Nung naog ba siya doon?
Ay!
Mga hawag. Kami lalat. Ay, lalasan na.
Okay, bye-bye. Candidate number 6 from
Miss Claudine Barreto.
from Asaoy, Tiguang.
From Tanzania.
Colombia!
Venezuela. 32, 33, 38, 39, 40.
Gi-career good niya, lami mo catwalk, abad.
My most in love is beauty is decided outside.
The motto of her life is Abatikaru.
That's all, thank you.
This is our candidate number 6, Miss Claudine Barreto.
That's our candidate number 6, Miss Claudine Barato. Thank you.
Alam mo, dali.
And let's call on our 6